Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some realistic farmhouse decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Realistic farmhouse decor is an interior design style that combines the warmth of traditional farmhouse living with the elegance of vintage treasures and soft romantic details. The result is a home that feels cozy, timeless, welcoming, and full of character. People love it for realistic farmhouse decor creates a peaceful, lived-in feeling without looking overly formal. It celebrates craftsmanship, treasured heirlooms, and simply beauty, making every room feel comfortable and welcoming. This style works beautifully in living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, entryways, and even bathrooms, creating a charming home with a timeless countryside feel. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than just a decorating style. It creates a home that feels warm, connected, and full of stories, rather than filling a room with brand new matching furniture. This style celebrates mixing heirloom speeches, flower market finds, handcrafted items, and rustic finishes to create a space with personality. Create a collected look instead of buying an entire matching furniture set. Combine pieces from different periods. For example, pair a distressed farmhouse table with vintage wooden chairs, or place an antique cabinet beside a modern slip-covered sofa. The slight differences in color and finish make the room feel authentic. Embrace soft imperfection. Small scratches, faded paint, on old and metal are part of the charm. This natural sign of age give furniture and accessories character and make the home feel lived in rather than perfectly polished. Texture is one of the secrets to the style. Mix linen curtains, cotton cushions, crochet shelves, oven baskets, jute jugs, lace runners, and natural wood furniture. Layering different materials makes the room feel cozy and inviting. Decorate with meaningful vintage pieces. Choose decorative items that have history or look as though they do. Ideas include use antique clocks, printer's books, white ceramic pictures, enamel wire, old picture frames, glass bottles and jars, brass candlesticks, handmade pottery. Add nature indoors, fresh flowers, dried lavender, eucalyptus, olive branches, or small potted herbs bring life into the room. Natural greenery complements the soft color palette and rustic materials beautifully. Keep the color palette cool. A fantastic farmhouse home usually relies on light, neutral colors with a few muted accents. Shades like ivory, cream, soft gray, shade green, dusty blue, lush pink, and natural wood tones create a peaceful atmosphere. Focus on comfort. This style is not just about appearance, it is about making your home feel welcoming. Plush cushions, soft blankets, comfortable sitting, warm lighting, and personal keepsakes help create spaces where family and guests enjoy spending time. The beauty of vintage farmhouse decor is that it evolves over time. As you discover unique vintage treasures, handcrafted items, and meaningful accessories, your home becomes more personal, charming, and timeless. One of the defining features of vintage farmhouse decor is its balance between rustic simplicity and elegant vintage charm. Every room is designed to feel bright, comfortable, and welcoming, while showcasing beautiful details that have a sense of history. Mix rustic and elegant elements. A vintage farmhouse home blends rugged natural materials with delicate decorative accents. For example, a reclaimed wood dining table paired with upholstered chairs, a distressed cabinet decorated with white porcelain dishes. soft tint with lace-trimmed bedding and floppy pillows. This contrast keeps the space feeling both cozy and refined. Display dessert collections. Instead of adding beautiful items in cabinets, display them where they can be enjoyed. You might irons, vintage teacups and plates on open shelves, antique pictures filled with seasonal flowers, old book stacks on coffee tables, oven baskets holding blankets or magazines, glass jars filled with child flowers or kitchen staples. These details add personality without making the room feel cluttered. Use warm, inviting lighting. Lighting plays a big role in creating the cozy atmosphere. Consider vintage-inspired candlelights over dining tables, table lamps with linen shades, wall sconces with aged brass or black iron finishes. Use lantern-style pendant lights, candles or LED candles for a soft evening glow. Warm lighting enhances the natural pictures and neutral colors throughout the home. Add handmade touches. Handcrafted items make the space feel unique and personal. Examples include crochet blankets and pillow covers. Use hand-woven baskets, handmade pottery, embroidered table linens, and wooden cutting boards and serving trays. This detail celebrates craftsmanship and fit perfectly with the farmhouse aesthetic. This style adapts beautifully throughout the year. Spring, use fresh tulips, daffodils, and pastel textiles. For summer, use wildflower, wicker baskets, and light linen fabrics. For autumn, use giant wheat, pumpkins, plate throws, and warm earth tones. For winter, use evergreen branches, knit blankets, pine cones, and soft candlelight. Keep the home uncluttered. Although fantastic farmhouse decor includes many decorative pieces, each item should have a purpose to tell a story. Leaving open space on shelves, tables, and countertops helps the home feel peaceful and airy. The lasting appeal of fantastic farmhouse decor comes from its timeless design, comfortable furnishings, natural materials, and carefully chosen vintage accents. It creates a home that feels lived in, loved, and inviting every day. Fantastic farmhouse decor is also about creating a home with depth, warmth, and personality. Instead of decorating quickly, this style develops over time as you collect meaningful pieces that reflect your taste and tell a story. Use layers to create visual interest. Layering is one of the most important design techniques in this style. A room feels richer when different materials and heights are combined. For example, fresh open jack bread out on coffee table, add a crochet throw over a linen sofa, stuck vintage books beside a ceramic vase, combine candles, greenery, and framed artwork on a mantel. These layers make the room feel cozy without appearing crowded. Celebrate craftsmanship. Choose items that show scaled craftsmanship rather than mass production. Handmade or vintage-inspired pieces often have unique details such as hand-carved wood, embroidered linens, hand-thrown pottery, crochet lace, oven wicker baskets, and aged brass hardware. These details give your home a timeless, authentic character. Blend function with beauty. Every household items can also become decorations. For example, stone wooden utensils in a stoneware crock, display cutting boards against the backplash, keep folded linen towels in open baskets, arrange cinnamon pitchers with fresh flowers, use glass jars to organize pantry ingredients. This approach keeps the home practical while adding rustic charm. And architectural details. Even simple architectural features can enhance the farmhouse feel, such as shiplap or bakeboard walls. Use rustic ceiling beams, board and batten paneling. Use vintage-style interior doors, decorative corbels, spring shelves, and wooden window shutters. These elements create a strong farmhouse foundation before adding decorative accessories. Choose timeless patterns. Patterns should feel soft and classic rather than bold. Popular choices include small floral prints, gingham checks, ticking stripes, plates, botanical prints, and tall fabrics. Using these patterns on cushions, curtains, beddings, or table linen adds charm while maintaining a calm atmosphere. Let each room tell a story. Rather than making every room look identical, give each on its own personality. A kitchen might feature antique enamelware and open shelving, while a bedroom could showcase vintage quads, lace curtains, and weathered bedside tables. Keeping a consistent color palette ties the whole home together, while adding each space to feel unique. The beauty of vintage farmhouse decor lies in its ability to combine comfort, nostalgia, and elegance. It creates a home that feels welcoming in every season and becomes even more beautiful as meaningful pieces are collected over time. Vintage farmhouse decor is rooted in the idea that a home should feel comfortable, personal, and timeless rather than perfectly styled. It values quality, history, and everyday beauty, creating spaces that invite people to relax and feel at home. The importance of balance. A successful vintage farmhouse room balances several design elements, use old and new, pair antique furniture with newer pieces for comfort and functionality. Rustic and elegant. Combine rough wood and aged metal with delicate lace, soft linens, and crystal accents. Simple and decorative. Keep the room uncluttered while displaying a few carefully chosen vintage treasures. This balance prevents the space from feeling either too rustic or overly ornate. Create inviting focal points. Each room benefits from a feature that naturally draws attention. Examples include a distressed farmhouse dining table, a vintage hut displaying white dishes, an antique mirror above a fireplace, a weathered wooden coffee table decorated with books and flowers, a large open drapes on the wall. Decorate these focal points simply so they remain the stars of the room. Use natural finishes. Natural finishes enhance the relaxed farmhouse atmosphere. Consider materials such as solid oak or pine furniture, stone countertops or accessories. Use wicker and rattan baskets, cast iron and aged brass hardware. Use linen and cotton fabrics, handmade ceramic pottery. These materials age gracefully and become even more attractive over time. Decorate with meaningful heirlooms. Family heirlooms add authenticity and emotional value. You might display old family photographs in vintage frames, hand-stitched quads, antique clocks, vintage china passed down through generations, handmade crochet toys or table runners, wooden keepsake boxes. These pieces make your home feel unique because they reflect your own story. Bring the outdoors inside. Nature is an important part of farmhouse decorating. Add natural beauty by using fresh flowers in ceramic pitchers, dried lavender or eucalyptus, olive branches in tall vases, small herb pots on kitchen windowsills, seasonal branches, pine cones, or wildflowers. These natural accents keep the home feeling fresh throughout the year. Choose quality over quantity. Instead of filling every shelf with decorations, invest in a few well-made pieces that you truly love. A carefully selected antique cabinet, handcrafted pottery, or a beautiful crochet blanket often has more impact than many small decorative items. The ultimate goal of vintage farmhouse decor is to create a home that feels calm and welcoming. Soft colors, cozy textiles, warm lighting, natural materials, and treasured vintage pieces all work together to create an environment where family and guests feel comfortable, relaxed, and connected. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.